Hey gang, Poppy here. We're in the computer room. This is just a little bulletin for anyone who happens to care. All two of you. Ah, the opals I rubbed in the video labeled July's Victims. Do I get any rock candy? I go out in the shop tomorrow and do some cutting. I wanted them to be good and dry, so I left them out in the shop. And also, the landlord has been having people working on the house. They're just about finished with the roof. There's talk of a wheelchair ramp in front and all kinds of nice stuff. But roofing is noisy. And it's hot. I haven't wanted to go out in the shop when it's both hot and I couldn't nap during the day because of the bang, bang, bang of roofing. But earlier today, I ordered a 4K webcam USB plug-in. I'm hoping I'll get a much better resolution when I want to show you something really, really, really small. And I want you to be able to see it. Anyway, good night from California.